Hi, this is Julissa from Preventive Fire, and today we're talking with Frank, our alarms manager, and we have a couple of questions pertaining to alarm monitoring. Why do alarm panels need to be monitored?
Well, one important reason alarm panels need to be monitored is so that you notify the correct authorities and the property owner upon any signal. So in the case of a fire alarm signal or a burglar alarm signal, they'll notify the authority, the fire department, or the police department, as well as the customer or the building owner.
Can you hook up an existing alarm system to be monitored?
In most scenarios, yes. Most panels are capable of being monitored. If you're unsure about any alarm panel or whether it is capable, you can always send a picture or email a picture to your local alarm company, and they should be able to tell you just by looking at it whether the system can be monitored or not.
How much does an alarm monitoring cost?
Alarm monitoring costs, they can vary from company to company. There are a few factors that can influence the alarm monitoring. One of them would be transmission type. So examples of transmission types would be IP-based systems, cellular, radio, or traditional phone lines. So for example, if you have an alarm panel where it's very hard or very difficult to run a phone line, you might opt in for an IP system or a cellular-based transmission system, even though the cost might be a little bit more. One other example of alarm monitoring costs can be added on features. So say for security, if you wanted to add remote arming or disarming, you wanted to add opening and closing reports, or you wanted to integrate a camera system or an access control system, that can increase your cost by a little bit in your monitoring fee. But you can always customize your plan for the certain features you want as well as the costs you would like.
What are the benefits of having a monitored alarm system?
Well, the most important reason is just having a second set of eyes on your system all the time. It's like having someone watching your alarm panel 24/7. So for commercial fire alarm instances, say a fire alarm happens, the alarm monitoring center, they're going to verify that signal, they're going to dispatch the fire department, then they're also going to notify the customer and the alarm technician. In most burglar alarm applications, an alarm signal happens, the monitoring center verifies that signal, then they will verify with the customer to make sure it is a real alarm and dispatch the police if necessary. Now on a local system, there will be no second level of dispatch. The only thing you're going to hear are the bells and whistles on site, any trouble signals that the panel will send out, but if no one's on site or no one hears the alarm, there's no further action taken. And if you have any questions about alarm monitoring, or if you want to know whether a system is capable of being monitored or not, please feel free to call us at Preventive. Our phone number is 561-863-9900.
Thanks for watching. That was Frank, our alarms manager, and I'm Julissa at Preventive Fire. Thank
Thank you.
you.